Alright guys, we are leaving Inverness to take the most scenic route of the whole of United Kingdom perhaps, and one of the routes that people recommend taking from Inverness to Highlands, which is called North Coast 500. NC 500 we are on, and we are going to be checking all those most recommended and top attractions. And here I go, taking the right on this roundabout. And this is an idiot who's driving and doesn't know how to drive while in the roundabout. Anyway, we are taking you on, and I'm going to showing you how it looks like, because this is what you got to be doing as well. Alright guys, so हम लोग इन्वर्नस से चले और बीच में एक ये डन रॉबिन कैसल के नाम से था, हम यहाँ रुके, and it's just giving me the vibe कि यहाँ कभी ड्रैकुला रहता था. It looks like all those in the Dracula movies. Beautiful place, a must visit I must say. जो outside का view है, it's breathtaking as you can see. Wow, the pictures that you can take here would be priceless I would say. And that's not it. It's just in front of, this is the water, and I'll show you कि water कैसा है. ऊपर से तो view और भी ज़बरदस्त आता है. So let's go and check it out. On my left are mountains, cliffs, and on my right is the sea. Perhaps is the northernmost part of Britain, the United Kingdom. This scenic route is what I think we've paid this trip for. You must be driving. If you have not driven here, you've not driven your car. Look at them. Alright guys, so I've reached to a point, I think it's one of the most scariest that I've seen. You can see the steps going down. This is called some steps, and that's called Willguy steps. This is where the steps from the cliff meet the ocean. It's the northernmost or northeastern most part of Britain. Let me show you. If you dare to go down, you can, but coming up is very dangerous, and it's something that you can dare. So, time to go to our next John O'Groats. Let's see how is that. If that is good enough. We're here in Dan Kensby Lighthouse. Look at the route. It's taking you all the way to that lighthouse at the top. This you must have seen in so many movies, and the problem here, the driving is just one way, and you see the car. This is the etiquette of driving here. I will wait for them, and they will come, and then they will pass, and I will then go. So once you come here, make sure that you know how to drive here. Alright guys, so I think I've reached heaven, because on my back, look at these, look at this cliff, and this is the ocean. Alright, so not many people can reach to this point. As you can see the beauty, and what that beauty is, all of these swans are resting here. Alright, let's go all the way there, which is the most beautiful point and would dream of. This is called Dan Kensby viewpoint. A lighthouse was there, but the main attraction is that side. Look at that. Heaven on earth. See there, everywhere, and I'm in the middle. Welcome to Scotland.
देखते तुम्हारे